बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 2A D3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में हमारे पास इट इज़ गिवन दैट k इंटू 2k प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 3 वाइल वी शुड हैव ऑन द अदर साइड 0, so that mean we have to expand it first, and after that we have to do the factorization again. So if I will write it as it will become k into 2k, it will become 2k square plus 5k, and this 3 will shift on the other side and this will become 0, because if there is 0 only we can apply that two product formula, otherwise we can't. Okay, from here it is minus 6, so that mean after subtraction, because I told you whenever there is a minus sign you have to do the subtraction. After subtraction I'll get 5, and after multiplication I'll get 6. So simple is that 2k square plus 6k minus k minus 3 is equal to 0. From these two numbers I can take 2k common, it will become k plus 3. From here it is minus 1, k plus 3 is equal to 0. So now k plus 3, and on the other side it is 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. K plus 3 is equal to 0, or 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 3, and from the other side it is 2k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, moving towards part B, again we have on the other side there are two terms, so that means I have to shift that two terms on this side to make it 0. On the other side I will expand the bracket as well. It will become 2m square. 2 multiply with, remember that you have to multiply the number with all the terms that are present inside the bracket. 2 multiply with 5 minus 10 m, and these number will shift on the other side, so it will become minus 5m plus 18 is equal to 0. Now 2m square minus 2 and 5 10 and 5 are 15, m plus 18 is equal to 0. 2 18s are 36, and there is a plus side, that means you have to do addition. So 2m square is equal to minus 12m minus 3m plus 18 is equal to 0. 2m I can take common, m minus 6 minus 3 I can take common, m minus 6. Whenever you will take minus sign common, the other sign will get reversed. It will be m minus 6 and 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. M minus 6 is equal to 0, either 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 6, and from the other side 2m is equal to 3, and m will be equal to 3 by 2. Okay, in part C we have two brackets that we have to multiply, so I'm doing it directly. I think you people know the rules that first you have to multiply this term with all these terms, and then with the second term with all the term of the second bracket. So for first term, if I'm multiplying, it will be n square plus 4n minus 2n minus 8 is equal to 27. So from here it will be n square plus 4 minus 2, it's 2, and minus 8 minus 27, this is equal to 0. From here it will become n square plus 2n minus 35 is equal to 0. AC method, it will be minus 35 minus 35, that means you have to do subtraction, and 7 5s are 35, so n square is equal to plus 7n minus 5. And remember that you have to make sure that you will put the sign with the bigger number that is present over here. That means if plus is there, so you will put plus sign with the bigger number. If minus is here, that means you will put minus sign over here. Okay, from these two bracket, n plus 7 minus 5, n plus 7 is equal to 0. It will be n plus 7 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. Either n plus 7 is equal to 0, or n minus 5 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 7, and on the other side n is equal to 5. Okay, same as the next one, part D. First of all, I have to open the bracket, so that means p multiply with these two terms, it will become p square minus 6p minus 1 with multiply with these term, it will become minus p minus minus plus 6, and I am shifting this minus 126 on the other side, it will become minus 126. So p square, that will become minus 7p, and from here it will be minus 120 is equal to 0. Now it is minus 120 and over here it is minus 7p. Okay, from here it will be p square minus 18p minus 15p plus 8p minus 120 is equal to 0. P I can take common, p minus 15 plus 8 I can take common, p minus 15 is equal to 0. So either p minus 15 and on the other bracket it is p plus 8 is equal to 0. So p minus 15 is equal to 0 or p plus 8 is equal to 0. So p is equal to 15 or p is equal to minus 8. So this is the answer of part D. Okay, part E is 3r square minus 5 into r plus 1 is equal to 7r plus 5. That means I have to simplify it first. 3r square minus 5r minus 5 is equal to 7r plus 58. I will shift all the term on one side. It will become 3r square minus 5r minus 5 minus 7r minus 58 is equal to 0. Now I will add or subtract the like terms. 3r square minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12r minus 58 and minus 5 is minus 63 is equal to 0. Now can I take 3 common from all the terms, so it is easy for me to solve it. It will become r square minus 4r minus 21 is equal to 0. 3 will shift on the other side and it will become 0. R square minus 4r minus 21 is equal to 0. Now it's minus 21, so that means I have to do subtraction because it's minus 21. R square minus 7r plus 3r minus 21 is equal to 0. R minus 7 plus 3 r minus 7 is equal to 0. R minus 7 and in the other bracket it will be r plus 3 is equal to 0. Either r minus 7 is equal to 0 or r plus 3 is equal to 0. R is equal to plus 7. From here r is equal to minus 3. Okay, moving towards part F, that is again I have two brackets on one side, so that means I have to multiply. It will become 3s square 3 minus 12s plus 1s minus 4, and on the other side I also have to simplify the bracket, so it will become minus 5s minus minus will become plus 5. I will shift all the number on one side. This is s, not 15. Okay, so it will become 3s square minus 11s minus 4. This minus will become plus 5s and this plus will become minus 5 is equal to 0. 3s square minus 11s plus 5s, it will become minus 6s minus 9 is equal to 0. Again, can I take 3 common? 3 common, s square minus 2s minus 3 is equal to 0. It will become minus 3. So after subtraction I have to get 2. So can I write minus 3s plus 1s, because 3 minus 1 2, and after multiplying I'll get 3. It will become s minus 3 plus 1. S minus 3 is equal to 0. So s minus 3, in the other bracket it will become s plus 1 is equal to 0. So either s minus 3 is equal to 0 or s plus 1 is equal to 0. From here it is equal to 3 and from here it is equal to minus 1.